Hi, it's Dan here from Pocket Language Trainer with your one-point lesson. Do you know how to use the phrase stand for? It has three meanings, but we will focus on the first one. It means to represent or symbolize. Now for our first example. Here is our first example. What does ATM stand for?
It stands for automatic teller machine.
Here is our second example. What does LOL stand for?
It stands for laugh out loud.
Here is our third example. What does JR stand for?
It stands for Japan Railway.
Now let's practice. Please repeat without the audio prompt. What does ATM stand for? What does LOL stand for? What does JR stand for? Now let's practice without the audio and written prompt. What does ATM stand for? What does LOL stand for? What does JR stand for? I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and rate our video. Thanks, it's Dan here from Pocket Language Trainer. See you soon.